guys, I'm Esther from Essy Cooks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious high protein vegan sandwich, which is made with white beans and artichokes and lemon and all kinds of amazing things. It is so delicious, and we've even grilled it for this one. And it's super high in protein with the whole wheat bread, the nutritional yeast, and the beans. So if you're looking for a high protein lunch that's easy, you can make the filling ahead of time and you can enjoy something that's super delicious. Check this out. I'm going to show you guys how to make this. All right, let's take a look at how this sandwich is going to look when it is cut open. It's kind of hard to do this because there's so much goodness in this sandwich, but take a look. Oh, so delicious with that avocado and all those flavors with the artichoke. All right, so let's get started with the ingredients. So first thing we need is 1 can of white beans. I've got white kidney beans here, cannellini beans, whatever you want to call them. Those are rinsed and drained. Then I have 3 to 4 green onions. You could use a little bit of red onion if you like. That would be delicious in here as well. Maybe about 2 or 3 tablespoons. And I've got a 1/4 cup of fresh basil here. You could use parsley as well, but honestly, when it comes down to basil or parsley, I always choose basil because it is just so delicious. So I'm going to chop that up and add that into the bowl, and then we're going to need half a lemon. Now you are going to want a fresh lemon for this because we're going to be using some of the zest, so that is the peel from the lemon. So we're going to use about 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. This adds such a nice flavor to this. And then we're going to use the juice of that lemon as well. So we're going to use the juice of half a lemon, and this is so delicious. I'm so excited for you guys to try this. Now with this mixture, you can make this ahead and you can store it in the fridge for up to 4 or 5 days. And you can just add it on your sandwich as you go. So this makes 3 sandwiches total, so you can definitely store it for 3 days in the fridge. Then we're gonna have 1 avocado. So I'm gonna cut that open. So satisfying when you get a good ripe avocado like this one. And I'm gonna put that entire avocado in here. Got some really good healthy fats in this, and it's high in protein too. And then I've got 6 marinated artichokes, and I'm just going to cut those up and add them in. And then I have some sun-dried tomatoes, about a 1/4 cup. This adds a really nice flavor to it as well, but if you don't want to add tomatoes, no problem, you don't have to add them. And then for extra protein and extra flavor, we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. We're going to add in a little salt and pepper for flavoring, and then we're just going to mix that all together. I'm going to give it a mash. You can mash it up to your own preferred consistency. I like if there's a few, white bean halves in there, but you can mash it up even further if you like. Then you can grill and toast the bread if you want, or you can put this just straight on a bread. You want to choose a high protein bread for this to make this high protein. This one had like 5 or 6 grams per slice, so that'd be about 10 to 12 in total just for the bread. Then I'm going to add a little bit of hummus. You could use vegan mayo, you could use, mustard, you could use whatever spread you like on your sandwiches. And then I'm going to add some sprouts, I'm going to add some lettuce, I'm going to top that off, and I am so excited to dive into this. Now, if you're bringing this to work or school or on the go with you, just make sure you're wrapping it up really tightly because it can fall apart, or you can just put the mixture on the side and just assemble it when you're ready to eat. Ready for the taste test? Okay, it's a bit messy, so take the piece off the top. Nope. There you go. Oh, there's some already coming out of the back. I might just have to let you do the taste test. How is it?
So good.
Here, let me try a bite of that.
So nice.
Love that flavor. So good. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.